Naka-play na ka. So, minsan meron siyang meron siyang by of the monitor ang book network utility software. So, ito nga yung mga utilities na other utilities na nasa network utility software. So, yung antivirus software, backup software, cache protection, remote access software, unuseful software. So, kaya natin yung antivirus. So, antivirus software is designed to detect and remove viruses that have infected your memory or operating system. So, yung antivirus software, yung example niya yung like Avila, Avast, yun. Para ma-detect yung mga viruses na nandun sa
Trojan. Trojan?
Then, backup software. Allows network administrator to back up data files currently stored on the network server 5 disk drive. So, yun naman yung backup directory na kung saan, pwede ilagay yung mga files na gusto nyo lagyan na i-backup. O i-save. Next, crash protection software. The primary goal of crash protection software is to perform crash stalling.